Hello everyone, welcome back to day 5 of Upskilling myself. And today I solved two DSA questions because I had a lot of internship work, as well as I set up the Linux environment in my PC and practiced some basic commands and also bash scripting. So yeah, it took a lot of time, as well as I solved a lead code contest. I gave a lead code contest in the morning. So yeah, so the first question was best time to buy and sell stock. It's a pretty easy level question. So what we're doing over here is, so this is the array that we have. So what we have to do is we have to give the highest profit that we can achieve. So in this case, as you can see, we can buy the stock over here and sell over here. So we get the highest profit. So how will we do it? So first of all, we will initialize a min price, which is int max. Then the max profit is 0, and then we will iterate the whole array, right? So if the ith index is less than the minimum price, then we will set it as the min price, and then we will exit the loop, and the next iteration will start. Then in case the min price is less than the prices of I, then we will calculate the profit. So the current profit is prices of I minus the min price. So suppose I is over here, let's say on 3, and the min price is over here on the 1, so the profit will be 2, right? Then we will compare the profit with the max profit. So earlier the max profit is 0, so it will be compared this profit and the max profit. Whichever is maximum, it will be stored in the max profit, and then after the all iterations we will get the max profit. So it was a pretty easy level question. This is the variation of it, and it's a medium level question. There are two ways of solving it. The next way I'll show you. It's pretty easy. So this is the easiest way to solve it, but I solved the previous question using this method, so I just thought that okay, let's just change one or two lines and we get the solution, right? So if you see, everything is same till line number 11, right? In line number 11, we check if the price of I is greater than the min price. Then what we do is we calculate the profit as usual, but rather than calculating the maximum of the profit, what we do is we add that into our profit, right? And then we set the min price as the current index at where the pointer is pointing at, and then we return the max profit. So this is the approach that I used, but the most easiest approach, which uses the greedy accumulation pattern, is this one. So it's pretty easy. What we do is we initialize max profit as 0, and then we traverse the whole array. And what we do is when we traverse the whole array, we see profit at every iteration, and we store the profit at every iteration, and then we accumulate it and give the result. So as you can see, if the prices of I is greater than the previous element, then we add it into the profit. That's simple, and then return the max profit. So this is the most easiest one, but as you know, I solved this question earlier, so I just made some changes and solved this question. And yeah, for the development part, I did the WSL and Ubuntu setup, which took a lot of time because I had to implement some syntax and enhance the theme of it and so on. And then also I practiced some Linux commands and did some bash scripting. Then I decided what project I am going to do for the next month and gathered the project requirements, that like the APIs and stuff. Then I had a lot of internship work. I did some YouTube stuff and also did a revision and also solved a contest in the morning itself. So I'll show you the Linux. So I'll show you the Ubuntu setup that I did. So as you can see over here, it's the modified one. The theme is modified. It's I think Power 10x something. So this is pretty amazing because you get recommendations for Git for every command that you saw. So let's see. I type here CA. As you can see, it is in red. Red means there is no command like it. And if I type tab over here after CA, you see it shows all the commands that has CA in it, right? So that's very helpful. And if I just type CA and just arrow, it will auto complete it, right? So it is very good. Let's say I type here pi and file to txt, enter, escape. There you go. So welcome back to my channel. I'll save it. There you go. I'll just get the file 2. There you go. So it looks pretty cool because here is the location. It's minimal. This is the branch. We are on the master branch, or now we call it the main branch. And this is the untracked files, and this is the time. It's in 24 hours. So it's pretty cool. I love this theme over here. And thank you guys for watching, and see you on day 6.